Hi there. Let's walk through how to integrate your Shopify store with your TopDawg account. If you already have a Shopify store, select Connect Existing Store. If you don't have one yet, select Build New Store. Next, from the list of TopDawg integrations, choose Shopify. If you'd like to connect an existing store, select Connect Store. Otherwise, choose Open New Store. If you're already logged in, you'll go straight to the install screen. Select Install. On the confirmation page, click Install again to finalize. When you return to TopDawg, select Create to complete the integration. That's it! Your Shopify store is now connected, and you're ready to start dropshipping products. Upgrade your plan whenever you're ready to begin syncing products and listing them in your Shopify storefront.
Connect, simplify, scale. TopDawg, leading the pack in dropshipping.